The Member of Parliament for Ningo Pram Sam George hints of retaliation on countries that deny Ghana's lawmakers from entering their country should the anti-gay bill pass. He explained businesses coming from such countries may be blocked. The Member of Parliament for Tamale North, Alhassan Suhini, and Ho West MP Manuel Bejra were recently denied visa to the US and the Netherlands respectively over suspicion they support the anti-LGBTQ bill.
Any business involving any entity from those countries will not pass through Parliament. Americans in the case of Honorable Bejra, the Dutch in the case of Honorable Suhini, any loan agreement or any approvals from Parliament that have to do with any business from those countries, we will block it. And if push comes to shove, we will begin to publish the names of all businesses in Ghana operating that are from those countries or affiliated to those countries, and we will mobilize national action against those companies and make sure that those companies are shut down in this country. Because if they would want to use that as cheap blackmail, we would as well flex our muscles in our country. This is our sovereign country, and nobody can hold us to ransom. I've heard people say that, why do you want to travel to those countries if you don't support LGBTQ? Who told you in those countries majority of the people there support LGBTQ? And if that is the case, we don't support it here. Why are they here? Then they should also leave our country. If they can be here and we can tolerate them, they have no right whatsoever to say they can't tolerate us. But maybe this is the watershed moment where we would establish the sovereignty of this country and hold and call the bluff of anybody who thinks that they can take us for a ride. We've seen it happen in other jurisdictions. Nothing has happened. We will weather the storm, we will pass the bill, and they will comply with the bill so long as they are within the jurisdictions of Ghana.
Sam George expressed confidence majority of his colleague lawmakers would vote for the passing of the anti-LGBTQ bill.
Individuals have their different opinions. We cannot compel everybody to do what we think is right, but I am confident that the overwhelming majority of the members of Parliament will vote for the bill. Now, anybody who chooses not to vote for the bill will be doing so on the basis of whatever convictions they have. But however, they must be minded that they have a chair in that house not because of their convictions, but because of what the people who voted for them want. And so their actions and decisions must be on the basis of what the people who voted for them want.